What are the plant differences between hemp and marijuana? Imagine two plants growing side by side, seemingly similar but fundamentally different in ways that influence their uses and legal status. Both hemp and marijuana belong to the species Cannabis sativa, yet they exhibit distinct characteristics that set them apart. Understanding these differences requires a closer look at their physical traits, chemical composition, and cultivation practices. Hemp plants are typically tall and slender, often reaching heights of 12 to 15 feet or more. They have a fibrous stalk with minimal branching and a relatively sparse canopy of leaves. The leaves of hemp are narrow and pointed, usually with 5 to 7 leaflets per leaf, giving it a more delicate appearance. In contrast, marijuana plants tend to be shorter and bushier, with a dense canopy of broad, wide leaves. These plants often grow between 3 to 6 feet tall and have a more compact structure with numerous branches. Chemically, the most significant difference lies in their tetrahydrocannabinol content. Tetrahydrocannabinol is the psychoactive compound responsible for the high sensation. Hemp plants are cultivated to contain very low levels of tetrahydrocannabinol, typically less than 0.3% by dry weight. This makes hemp non-intoxicating and suitable for industrial uses such as fiber, textiles, and nutritional products. Marijuana plants, on the other hand, are bred to have high tetrahydrocannabinol levels, often exceeding 10%, which accounts for their psychoactive effects. The flowering structures of the two plants also differ. Hemp produces flowers that are less dense and contain fewer resin glands, which are responsible for producing tetrahydrocannabinol and other cannabinoids. Marijuana plants develop dense, resinous buds packed with glandular trichomes that contain high concentrations of psychoactive compounds. These buds are often harvested for recreational and medicinal purposes. Cultivation practices further distinguish the two. Hemp is generally grown outdoors in large fields with a focus on fiber and seed production, requiring less intensive care. Marijuana cultivation often involves controlled indoor environments to optimize cannabinoid levels, with careful attention to lighting, temperature, and humidity. In summary, while hemp and marijuana are genetically similar, their physical appearance, chemical makeup, and cultivation methods highlight their fundamental differences. These distinctions influence their uses, legal classifications, and the way they are grown and harvested around the world.